Oh!
Hopkins TV. This Nerf Surprise Week is full of toys. We are the original inventors of the world's biggest surprises. Yeah!
Check out that Batman Joker Target.
What just happened? You turned to a Hulk. Thank you. We gotta get some Nerf blasters to stop him from wrecking the house. Yeah. It's the Doominator. It shoots 24 darts. Let's see it in action. Cock it. Shoot 6 out of each cylinder. If you run out of darts in a barrel, you just hold it. Just hold this. Pretty cool, huh? Good for eye protection when you're playing with blasters. Or a dart will go in your eye. What just happened? Oh yeah. We got a big blaster. You can put the blaster together. A modulus. Look at all the attachments that you can use. There's any kind of parts that you can use for the blaster. This thing is super duper awesome. You push this button, it makes the wheel spin. Then you pull the trigger. We need to take down Hulk. We got the rough cut 2x4. It shoots 2 at a time. This is why I like this blaster, because it fires 2 at a time and it's extremely simple. Head and shoot. Ooh. It goes out. We got the flip zip. That makes it shoot 24 darts. Okay, when this part runs out, you flip it.
The lightning bow. How cool is that?
And here a big idea.
Yeah, do you want to shoot it? Let's go. Whoa!
You keep getting home. It's the Magnus. It shoots a really big whistling darts. Yeah.
Did you visit Steve with Minecraft?
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice of him to loan it to you. For the Nerf fun.
No, I'm going. Right? I'm going.
Are you gonna get Hobby Pig? Are you gonna get him?
Ah,
Oh, that was nice.
I'm not.
I'm not. It looks like a monster. It looks like the Hulk. Are you the Hulk? Yeah.
I'm this.
With your arrow.
Yeah, I did. Hulk keeps on coming. We gotta get him. It's a crossbow. It shoots up to 12 darts in 90 feet. Let's check it out. Like if the dart is in it or not. Oh. It's the Demolisher 2-in-1. It is a banana clip. It requires batteries. Let's test it on the hole.
Oh!
Whoa, this one's trying to get out. This thing shoots missiles. Let's shoot some missiles at the Hulk. This will finally take care of him. Oh. It's simple. All you have to do is this.
Oh! Wow, that's pretty good. Ah!
Time for a secret weapon! Let's see how far this one could shoot. Ooh! Wow, it hit the fence. Oh, barely didn't. Barely didn't hit the fence. Ah, so close. I think this is the fence and this dirt. Woo! That one definitely hit the fence. That one hit the fence the hardest. Now try the rocket launcher. That one halfway to the fence. Next! Whoa. Not super hard, but it hit the fence. It did bounce on the ground, didn't hit the fence, but I say it didn't. That was the hardest. That was the hardest. One more. Yeah, this thing is the best. These are definitely the ones that shoot the longest.
Wow, look at all this Nerf rival stuff that we have. And we're gonna shoot at a bunch of Imaginext villains. Are you ready, Hobby Pig? Hobby Pig?
Yes.
Hobby Pig? Where are you going?
Here.
It's Star Wars Blade Builders. This thing's a blaster and a lightsaber. Amazing!
Check out the tactical vest first.
How do I get this thing on?
And not like that. Here, I'll help you out.
Next, we're gonna open up the Atlas.
Ooh, the Atlas. This thing looks super awesome. Has 24 shots, and it shoots the same rounds as the rival. These things are gonna be fun.
Let's open this. So, you do this to cock it. Of course, you pull the trigger to shoot. It holds 12 rounds. You can see if it's jammed. So you put it back. You shoot like this. I think that was 2 darts. It shoots 2 darts. Either that or it was accident. You use this thing to aim. If you don't like this, then you just do that. And if you really like it, then you just do that. If you really don't like it, you just do that. If you really love it, you just do this. If you don't want this in, so see, I'm holding these 2 buttons down. So to put it in, so you need to set it down. And you do that.
Wow, look at all of these villains from Batman. They're in different places, and Hobby Pig's gonna see how many he can shoot down. Maybe he can get them all.
I'm gonna try a few hundred shots with this one.
A few hundred shots? All right, man, let's do it.
Whoa!
Wow. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. So it makes noises? Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does make noises. It makes all the noises in the world.
Nice.
Let's open up the chaos. This thing comes with 40 rounds.
I know, right? Let's open it up.
Needs 60 batteries. Wah, wah, wah. That makes it a big fall down. Hey. A lot of assembly required. This thing is huge. This is the magazine. It holds 40 rounds. We're gonna need this. That's not 40. This is like way over 40.
That's 50, so.
There's a tiny, not that tiny, pretty tiny button here. You just need to do this to it. You need to do that, and then this happens. You need to do that, and then this happens. And let's pretend I loaded all of the balls in this one. All I have to do is just lock it in place. Lock it in place. Lock it in place. It's pretty. Now let's fill it with
40 rounds.
40 billion rounds. Oh my goodness, is that one? Close it and engage the springs by pushing this button. Make sure the safety's on when you're loading the clip. You could open this to see if it's jammed. Did some balls fall out? Batteries. They're huge. Batteries are heavy. It's like a pound. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. I don't like how it aims. It's not too heavy. Let's go shoot up some bad guys. Now let's try 40 shots of this guy. It's called this guy.
Ah, man, you got Bane, Penguin's Penguin, Joker. Oh, look at that, you got Scarecrow, the Croc, Deathstroke. Ooh, you even got the Riddler. You got Two-Face, Poison Ivy. Oh, Harley Quinn's still up there. Penguin and Mr. Freeze. Oh, you know what? Who you didn't get? You didn't get Joker on the helicopter. Do you think you can get him, buddy? I'll take that as I'll try.
That's cool, right? So this side, put it on. And take. Yes, finally. That's how you do it. Oh. And there's darts. How do you cock it? Oh, so that's how you put it in. Then you go. Yeah. Boom. That. Boom. What's that do?
Ow!
And then you do that.
It's alive! It's alive!
It can even turn into its own blaster. Yeah, see? It's its own blaster now. Right.
Hobby Pig is gonna try the double shot to get the guys at the top. Let's see if he can do it. Oh, you got Wow, Hobby Pig, you got every single bad guy. You even made the Joker swing around a little bit. Good job, man. Give me 5. That's my only Joker.
You have another one.
Oh, never mind. The world's largest octopus water blaster surprise.
Hobby Kids TV.
This original idea is brought to you by Hobby Kids TV. Hey Hobby Kids, this is Hobby Dad. Look at all the Hobby Kids here. Say hello.
Hi.
As you can tell, we've already been having a lot of fun in the sun, and if you want, check out the awesome balloon toss that we just had fun with. Didn't we have fun with that, guys?
Yeah.
But now we have some awesome super soakers, the world's largest octopus water blaster surprise. Who wants to get started? Hobby Tiger. It's the Alpha Fire. This thing is awesome because it has 7.4 ounces and it shoots up to 20 feet. Hobby Pig, that octopus might not want to let it go. Ooh, what is this? It's a hydro bow. Shoots up to 26 feet. It's 20 ounces of water. This thing is going to keep blasting. Let's go, Hobby Frog. What is that? Check out this awesome super soaker. It holds up to 4 ounces and shoots up to 20 feet. Hobby Spider is out of the clutches of the world's largest octopus. Ooh, oh, it took him down.
Whoa!
I got
Wow!
the Nerf Super Soaker.
It's a super soaker. This thing's really neat. It looks like it shoots up to 34 feet. And there's 2 of them. Let's fill these things up and have a duel. We're going to have a duel between Hobby Pig and Hobby Tiger. They're going to take 3 steps and turn and fire when I say go. Ready, boys? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, turn and fire! Who do you think won? Leave your comments below. Fire! Fire! Hobby Tiger, get another awesome blaster from this cool, awesome octopus. Ooh! This one's cool because you pull this one all the way back and you push it forward to make some awesome water blasting action happen. It shoots up to 38 feet. Let's see how this thing does in the pool. Hobby Pig's turn. What kind of blaster does it get?
I got it.
This one's cool because it hooks up to an actual hose. It doesn't stop firing until all your enemies are soaked. Until they are soaked. Soaky. Soakified. Those are words.
Really?
Hobby Frog. Whoa, look at this splatter blast. This thing looks super fun. It has 4 nozzles that shoot water. How cool is
At
that?
the same time.
At the same time.
And this part even glows.
It does. Hobby Spider's turn. This one shoots an actual Nerf rocket. So you're not just getting them with water, but you're also getting them with foam. Let's try it out. This is a sponge. You could soak it in water and propel it at your foe.
So serious for action. Oh no.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Oh, that's it. I got a better one now.
It's out of water.
It's always the quiet ones you gotta watch for. And the pool! These blasters! Let's go!
Looking prepared for battle. Hi, Hobby Gator. That's right. Hobby Baby Gator. Kids, do not try this at home.
Oh! If any of you have watched Wiggles, that's hilarious.
Oh no, it's Robin. He was captured by all of these bad guys. Who can help him?
Hi, I'm Anna. I'll be filling in for Batman. Hobby Dad, do you have anything that can help me take down these bad guys?
Well, Anna, we have the Nerf Hellfire. This rapid-fire, foam-firing blaster will send the villains running. As you can see by the contents in the box, this is a serious toy. Uses 4 AA batteries. And uses a multiple clip locking system. And each clip holds 6 darts.
No, not gonna do it. We're gonna need some serious ammo for these rude dudes.
Oh, that's not all, Anna. We have also got an upgrade kit. This kit gives you 24 more darts and 4 more clips. This upgrade kit will keep your Hellfire firing till the cows come home. So will this do the job for you, Anna?
Now that's what I'm talking about. Say hello to my little friend. Take this! And that! And another one! And this one too! Who's saying ha 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 now? Oh, and don't forget this one! And another one of these! And one of those! How do you like me now?
Wow, thank you, Anna, for saving me.
That's how I roll.
Spider-Man! Anna, what have you done?
Never mess with a princess.
I got a call from Batman to help you out, and I come here and find this mess.
What are you talking about? I hardly scratched him.
Look at the size of this thing, Anna. You don't think this was a little bit overkill?
Actually, I probably could have used a few more darts.
Oh, my aching head. I never want to see a blue dart again. That was insane.
That was so cool. Clever dart pun.
Thanks for joining me, Hobby Kids, on my daring crusade to get rid of the bad guys.